back, everybody. We're gonna go out and go get some firewood. We're getting low. We don't have much left in there. We probably have about a month worth of firewood for the shop so we can work on the car. So we gotta go drag a couple more trees in. So we're gonna go take the 590 out, take the logging truck out. So we had a problem this week with the 680. We're milling up a pretty big log because the customer wanted a 2 foot by like 1 inch wide board. So the tree's about 16 feet long plus 2 feet wide in some spots. So the second cut I was making, the saw ended up jamming. The chain shrunk and tightened up on me, and I kind of burnt the clutch out in it a little bit. So we took it out the other day with a dull chain just to test it. Woo, at least I'll be there. To make sure that we didn't totally destroy the clutch in the saw. And we didn't, so that was good. So we were able to cut down a tree, even though the chain was pretty shitty for what I was using. Kind of the way I'll test my saws when I think I burn a clutch out or I think the clutch is totally bad. So it wasn't totally bad. Woo, dug it! But I was able to take down this big maple with it. What we're gonna cut up and drag back up to the house. Once we get into position here. Yeah, that should be good. That's better. So we'll get this all cut up and we'll get it dragged back to the house. But the 680 is ready to go back to work for milling this week. We're not going to get any more snow, it looks like. It's still going to be cold, but what a pain. I'll probably mostly be doing firewood this week and milling, besides working in the shop. Working on the car a little bit here and there, depending on the temperature at night, because that's really the only time I have to work in the shop. So let's go cut up that big old monster when I drop down there. Make sure we put the cable on first. I tell you how much of a pain in the ass it is with this winch. I really don't like it. This thing can't pick up anything. Such a pain. Look at it. It's struggling. Fucking 12,000 pound winch and it's fucking struggling. I'll put that one on it, it'll pick it right up. Fucking annoying. Oh, we got it on finally. Now we can drag this the fuck out. So we still have to get that one up, and that one and that one. We'll get this one back to the house. I guess we'll throw another battery in the fucking line towards the back for the winch. Just enough room to make it past Big Red. So we got this section in. I'll throw another battery in the back here and wire it in. Goddamn fucking thing. Maybe it just needs more power. This thing's just fucking annoying. Alright, so get the second battery in, and I cut my fucking finger open, like always. So that seems to work a little bit better, but we'll see when we actually put a fucking load on it. If it does work better, we're gonna rip that the fuck off. So let's go get another piece. Alright, let's see if we can get this piece out. It's definitely getting muddy back here. We'll run the cable to it, see if it will pull it out. Okay, so that works better with a battery. And I knew we were gonna rip that off, so it ripped the whole piece right out of it, right off the top. So we'll double sleeve this fucking thing. And it bent the whole bracket for that. I mean, it ripped it right off. So we're gonna have to reinforce the plate on that. But the second battery definitely works. So this thing needs 2 fucking batteries for this 12,000 pound fucking winch to run. At least in this setup. What a drag. Well, like I said, we'll drag this one back. I guess we're done for tonight, and we'll pull this in the shop and fix the rest of that up. Yeah. So I definitely did a number down there. That part's all broke. We can re-weld that. So we got this fucker and this one. So that's 2 logs. That's half the tree. I mean, she's definitely big. She, almost 2 feet for the base. So that'll be some good firewood there. Because I only have that little bit left to split. So a couple more of these. We'll have some more firewood. I guess first we gotta fix the boom. So that's next. Having 2 batteries, that definitely makes it better. That works much better for pulling. Now it's just not, it's too strong. I mean, I still hate the fact that I have to have 2 batteries on this just to run this winch, where that one only needs 1 battery. So we're gonna go put this in the shop. So we can let it dry out and warm up a little bit. Not like the garage is that warm compared to out here. But it is what it is, so later. All right, she's in the garage. So we'll let everything melt and then we'll get to it.